In this video, we're going to show you the easiest way to remove bird poop from your car without scratching your paint. Let's get to it. Bird poop is highly acidic and will etch your clear coat and paint if you don't remove it. So when you see it, it's best to act fast. If it's fresh and hasn't hardened yet, it's easy. You grab a detailing spray, spray the bird poop a couple of times to soften it even further, and then gently wipe it off with a microfiber towel. But let's be honest, usually you're too late and it has already hardened. What you should never do is try to scrub it off. Bird poop contains seed shells, sand, and other abrasive particles, so you'll end up scratching your paint. Instead, you want to take a soft approach. Put a paper towel over it, spray it with detailing spray, and let it soak for a couple of minutes. The paper towel holds the moisture better, which helps to soften the bird poop. What we like to do is keep a detailing spray, paper towels, and a microfiber towel in our car. This way, we always have all the tools with us to remove bird poop, no matter where we are. Then after a couple of minutes, remove the paper towel and spray it again. As you can see, that hard-to-remove bird poop has almost become liquid again. Now gently wipe it off with a microfiber towel in a rolling motion. Don't start scrubbing. You want to pick it up from the surface without pushing it onto the paint. Because of that rolling motion, we were able to pick up the bird poop without scratching the paint. Fold the microfiber towel to a clean section and gently go over it again. With most of it removed, you can now clean the area with the detailing spray. It's that simple. But if you don't let it soak first, you'll never get it off without scratching your paint. We'll put a link to all the products we've used in the description under the video, so make sure to check it out. That's all there is to it. If this video was helpful, give it a thumbs up, and if you're not a subscriber yet, hit that subscribe button so you don't miss any of our new videos. We've got a lot of new stuff coming up, so stay tuned.